Welcome! Today we're diving into a review of the Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects Kit. If you're looking for professional level whitening results right at home, stick around. Achieving a dazzling white smile has never been easier or more accessible. We're going to explore what makes these white strips a true professional solution for your teeth. This is the Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects Kit. It's designed to deliver incredible whitening power that you usually only see at the dentist. So why is this considered a professional level, at-home solution? It comes down to the exceptional power and quality packed into this easy-to-use kit. The biggest draw is the professional-grade results you can achieve without a pricey office visit. It truly brings the dentist chair to your living room. These strips are clinically proven to deliver teeth up to 19 levels whiter. That's a dramatic difference that really makes your smile pop. The results are comparable to what you would get from a $400 professional treatment. This kit offers incredible value for high-impact results. If you have a wedding, graduation, or any major event coming up, these white strips are the ideal way to ensure you have a flawless, bright smile for the cameras. Beyond powerful results, safety is paramount when choosing a whitening product. Crest ensures both top-notch safety and maximum effectiveness. You can use this kit with confidence knowing the formula is enamel-safe and highly effective, protecting your teeth while delivering brightness. Crest uses the same teeth whitening ingredients that are trusted and used by dentists in their professional practices. You are getting quality you can rely on. Crest isn't just effective, it's the #1 dentist-recommended at-home whitening brand. That recommendation speaks volumes about its safety and quality. Let's talk about the convenience. The process is seamless, thanks to Crest's smart technology. The secret to the comfortable fit is the advanced seal technology. This technology keeps the strips firmly in place, so you can talk, drink water, and even go about your day while whitening your teeth. The kit includes 20 treatments, which is 1 upper and 1 lower strip per treatment. Plus, you get 2 bonus treatments for a complete whitening experience right at home. Ready to transform your smile? The Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects Kit is the solution you've been looking for. This kit delivers professional results, is dentist-recommended and enamel-safe, and incredibly convenient for your busy life. Don't wait to get a brighter, whiter smile. Check the product link in the description to buy your Crest 3D Whitestrips today.